set? Probably not.
Oh, it looks like the Enterprise is shooting shit. A ramshackle
Yeah,
suit.
they were chasing after the brigantine. I just don't know if they
They got it.
sank it.
The taxi brigantine
Oh,
got
nice. The one that got by me because my leg was too broke to get on.
These guys are the worst PvP'ers I've ever seen. I am strolling around on their beach just fucking 1v4ing people.
Good, I'm going right for these fucking ships over here. I don't have any PvP weapons.
I'm
There's a
decked
guy
out.
on the water to the right of you.
I only have 20 bullets
Yes,
left though, so we have to be a bit cautious. Oh,
That's me.
oh, it's you guys.
You only have what?
Fuck, I'm missing him. Oh my god, no!
Is that you, Chris?
Yeah.
Careful of the fire.
Shooting though. Oh, he stopped too. How did I miss?
I only hit him twice.
He literally stood still, I shot, and then he jumped, and I somehow missed.
You dirty whore.
God damn it. Oh, there's a guy on the boat next to his blunderbuss. He's boarding.
I'm still loading.
He's on fire.
He jumped
jumped
into
off?
the water. He's too deep.
Mojo was killed.
Good thing we lured a bunch of sharks over here.
Yeah. Oh, he's trying to climb up the ladder.
Which one? Same one? The back of his ladder?
Yeah.
Save your arrows and your bow, Drew. I'll handle this.
I've got like 30 arrows on me.
Fuck!
He's got to
Put the...
There's
finish
no
him.
way I
There we
missed.
go. Go get that. Somebody go get that. Get a bucket on him.
There's a guy in the crop plots shooting me. I'm gonna try and... Chris, I need you to cover me.
Loading, yeah. He's reloading as well. Let me get behind you. Chop up his body.
Chris, drop me that barrel. Thank you.
I feel like I'm playing PUBG when it comes to dropping shit.
Alright, I'm arming the bomb. I'm gonna blow it in the back, so
She's dead.
it's gonna be in
Well,
the
if
back. So go to the front. You got 20 seconds.
Oh, fuck.
Go loot that body.
I'm trying, but she opens that door, I'm dead.
One of those brigs you guys scared out, I killed.
Yeah, we saw that. Good job, dude.
There was a schooner I was chasing. He ended up repairing it and all that shit, but I took like 4 planks off of it. I got 20 oil jars from the guy.
Oh. We need those.
I
Yeah, we
just went
do.
around to your shit before I head home.
We've almost wiped out this entire harbor.
Hey, that guy's back on his boat.
Dude, she had like fucking 200 iron on her when I picked up the body.
If I had any large cannonballs, I'd stay and fight, but I gotta head home. I'm out.
I don't think you broke any planks, dude.
Oil jars. Where do you guys want them?
On our
I'm on
bodies.
the east side right now. I know I'm on the east side of the island. Hey, we are.
She's back with bows and arrows.
You'd have to hang fire. We're,
I couldn't pick up her plate set. It was too heavy.
Nailed
Still on the
her.
ground behind her.
Come to the north coast. I'll swing by.
You're gonna have to wait. We're in combat right now.
You're supposed to take her out to dinner before you nail her, Doylan.
Exactly. Really, I didn't. I mean, Wow, it did damage to a few planks. Oh, fuck it.
Are you raiding
Ah,
or are you
there's a guy in here. What are you guys doing, you motherfuckers?
We've wiped out 2 Darkblade Alliance harbors completely.
Oh, hell yeah.
I got a bitch on me.
Shoot her.
I don't have anything to kill her with.
I don't even know where you're at on the ship.
Yeah,
Oh, I missed.
bitch is right on me.
I tried to jump. I know, I tried to jump to you, dude.
Person's shooting at us.
I'm almost out of ammo.
They're not coming.
That guy is geared. That guy's geared on that side.
Watch out for the right where you're at, King. That's the door I'm blowing in.
Fuck, I need that for cover. He's geared on that boat next to us. Oh, dude, I'm getting pegged.
Here, pick up this ammo and dropping in front of me.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Move,
Jesus.
motherfucker! And then you
Jesus
ran into
Christ.
me.
Pick up that ammo when you can, Ghost, before someone else does.
What, did he
Jesus.
have like 10
Fuck.
stacks on him?
Oh, he shot a flame arrow, caught Ghost on fire, and then caught me on fire.
Yeah,
Well, you was led on the floor, dude. I didn't see you was there.
Pick up this ammo where the cell is.
I've
You're
got it.
supposed to aim at the enemies.
I was.
I didn't
That's
know
what-
you was on the floor.
Jesus Christ. I'm just trying to avoid getting shot and
Turn
get killed
in.
by my teammates.
Turn it into a shit show. Well, their cover is gone now from that ship, so that's good. Oh, he's on the back of the boat.
Reload him.
I've got like 5 pistols on my bar.
Move, Kane. All right, I'm
You
in.
need more flame arrows and shit.
No, I got 40
For
still. I got a bomb I'm about to place too whenever this flame goes away. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Doo doo doo.
Try to break the door.
This looks like a nice little spot. Oh, come on, it's not obstructed.
Ingvar,
I'm
can you try
walking
and get
like-
everybody you can to spawn on your ship and tell them to come into this harbor? We need people popcorning. We need everybody popcorning.
Bomb's armed. I'm putting it 20 seconds. It's gonna be on the front of the ship. I'm gonna put 10 seconds. 10 seconds front of ship. Get to the back. Boom, boom, boom.
Jesus, I had the perfect shot. And somehow, gun wanted to reload.
Are we? Oh, it didn't even. What the fuck? These bombs are
you spec
glitchy as
into
fuck.
faster reloading your pistol, Ghost?
Yeah. This guy's just playing music.
Horrible music. It's like the National Anthem Center or something weird.
I don't know. That's when you know they're salty when they play music like that.
I'm about to start using my pistol. This fucking carbine's hard as hell to shoot someone moving sometimes.
My god.
I think the pistol bullet's bigger.
Oh, planks down here? Nope. Give me a spyglass though. The
My
fuck is
character's
swinging?
still running like slow, and I don't know why. Like I've got no health, I'm full water, everything. I don't know what the fuck.
Chris, I've got one on me.
Make it rain.
Oh my god, I froze. What the fuck?
Chris, I need some range
I was
support.
trying, but I got shot trying to aim at this fucker. There's.
Dead.
There, go get his shit.
Okay, do you have any more bombs?
No.
Okay.
We need to get the old jars from Mingva.
Is he still over there or did he leave?
He had 3 wood planks on him.
Ah. Hopefully it doesn't come back and pick those up.
I need food.
There's a guy here trying to put planks, but I'm standing in the doorway.
My character is like running really slow and I don't understand why. It's like I can't sprint fast even. It's like I'm over and encumbered, but I'm not.
What's your HP up?
Fool. Well, except for being so slow and getting shot.
Of course
Actually, I
it's
do have-
raining, you dirty whore. There's a guy back on the beach. He's jumping. Looks like he's got gear.
Does anybody want this blunderbuss? I'm about to drop it.
Oh, I got myself another set. Oh no! Oh god, there's 3 of them on the corner. Chris, help me! Get me this gear.
Trying. I'm dropping shit because I can't fucking do anything.
What? You're always loud. We're raiding.
Got her. Got her.
I can't get this gear, they're fighting me. I need help.
I'm not even sure where you're at.
Behind the base, behind the big stone base.
There's 2 of them, but I'm trying to find
Oh dude, I can't. I have to give up that gear set, there's too many of them.
Oh yeah. They're geared too.
I'm coming. I'm coming,
Sure,
King.
he's chasing me with a spear while I'm reloading.
Yep.
Stop. Just host your gun and jump into the water and reload.
Oh, guy to the left. Guy behind you. Chris, behind
There's
you.
4 of them. Yeah. Go into the water. It's harder to get shot.
He missed me.
Yeah, I'm out of food though, I'm starving to death.
Oh, I missed him. Woof.
You guys always out of food.
Because we don't bring
I've
any,
been here
bruh.
for hours, dude.
Need to learn how to play survival. Shoot a fucking fish.
Later, nerd.
Harvest. You just harvest bodies that had raw meat on them. How are you not have any food? Did you drop it all?
No, because I've been regenning this whole time, dude.
The fuck? Slatter's being a piece of shit.
Fucking hell. I had another thing of 300 wood on me. I must have been on that stupid fucking person. I dropped all my shit to repair my bow. Oh, fuck.
I missed him
Blunder.
somehow. Never shot a
Wasn't you?
blunderbuss. There was me and the other guy.
Someone just blasted at me with the blunderbuss. No fucking water. Alright. Now I'm not a fucking sitting target. As soon as I get on the ship.
Yeah, as soon as you get on the ship.
I have 6 pistols and a blunderbuss.
Alright. Let's see. Do I have a
We need
picture
to
on me?
sink this schooner over here, it's got all the cannons on it. Oh wait, this is a brig.
I've only got half energy, so I'm gonna have to.
Hey, you see this bitch right behind you? An NPC?
It's a player. Where you at?
Reload!
Shoot this fucker.
I'm breaking some beds.
He broke all my armor. God damn it.
You can't aim for shit, moron?
Did you kill the guy on the plate? Oh, he broke all your armor too.
Yeah, I know.
You're gonna have to swim away. This is gonna hurt.
What?
Got him.
That's one. I got another one on me. Get that guy set.
Trying.
He's trying to jump over to you, but he's a moron and he missed. Oh, guy behind you, move, move, move. You didn't die, did you? Where are you at? Oh, there you are.
He's chasing me.
This blunderbuss sucks dick, dude.
He's got a pike though. It's better than my sword.
Lead him over to this ship. Oh, wait, there's another guy in the shipyard.
There's too many guys.
That guy's out of stamina, he's out of stamina. That's me.
Good, he's behind you.
Got him.
Whoa. Little me there too. Got anything valuable on him?
No, he had spears. It wasn't even a pike. Here, let's see if we can kind of go back towards the ship, see if we can get re-geared up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm checking the ships now, seeing if I can get lucky with an old jar.
Where's Ingvar and his ship at? Did he leave?
Yeah, he fucked off.
Fuck. Every time.
I've literally been fucked because my armor pieces have been breaking every time I get shot.
Yeah, my armor's all nearly broke now.
My armor is all broke. I'm cold as fuck.
Not even sure which way I'm fucking swimming to. Oh, we need to go north if we want to go to our ship.
No, you're going the right way. We just gotta go past those buildings.
Do you even see me anymore?
I saw you a little bit ago.